All right, guys. All right, class. So today we are going to do a review of everything that we have learned during our entire unit about mushrooms. So we're going to play a game. You guys have whiteboards there with markers. I'm going to ask you guys some questions, and then you guys are going to hold the whiteboards to yourselves. Keep your answers to yourselves. You can write your answers down with words. You can draw pictures. You can do anything that you need. And then I'm going to count to 3. And then you guys are going to turn over your whiteboards and show me the answers. And then we'll talk about them. So let's begin. Number 1. What is a mushroom? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip them over. Fungus, fungus, fungus. Good job. You guys are great. Great drawing, Madison. I love your mushroom there.
Thank you.
Right. Let's get ready for number 2. Where do you find mushrooms? Remember what we learned about when we took our field trip outside and we looked for mushrooms outside of the school. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do we got? Forest, on trees, trees. Good job. You guys are such great artists. I love all of your pictures. All right, number 3. How do mushrooms grow? Remember when we learned about parts of the mushrooms and we learned about where they live? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. From other plants, nutrients from plants. Good job. All right, who can tell me what the word nutrients means? Madison?
A nutrient is something good that comes from something else.
Yes, good job. So like the food that we eat gives us nutrients to help us live. The foods that mushrooms eat, they get nutrients too. They give nutrients to other plants. All right, number 4. What colors, sizes, shapes, and odors or smells do mushrooms have? Remember when we did our mushroom lab? We got to look at mushrooms under the microscopes. We got to see all different kinds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, what do we got, guys? Gross, brown, they're different, and yucky. Yes, you guys are all right. Everybody all has their own different opinions of what mushrooms are. I like your guys' drawings, and I like your guys' ideas. All right, number 5. How do mushrooms help or harm trees, soil, so the dirt, plants, insects, and animals? Remember what we learned about things being able to work together. Like we work together in class to come up with different ideas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help. Mushrooms are good. They don't harm. And they help. Good job. Can anybody give me a specific example of how mushrooms help trees or insects or anything? Madison?
They give off good nutrients to other people.
Yes, they do. Remember that mushrooms are decomposers. So they break down dead things in the soil so that trees and other plants can suck those up and get yummy food for their insects. All right, last question. How do people use mushrooms? think about what we talked about in our introduction and all the different ways that you can use mushrooms. Think about your home. Do you see mushrooms there? And how do you use them? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do we got? On pizza, food, cooking. Yep, that's true. One of the biggest ways that people use mushrooms is they put them in their food and they eat them. People also can use mushrooms for medicine. They can also use them to create dyes, to color your clothing, or you can use them to create art. So good job, guys. I think we learned a lot about mushrooms during this entire unit. I hope you guys can learn to grow and enjoy mushrooms as well.